Hey you guys, I just got finished recording the April's album of the month. I'll give you a really quick sneak peek. Where did I just put it? Just a really fast sneak peek. Look, that's all you get. Okay. And it is spring, well, almost spring. It's March 17th today that I'm recording this, and I need to start editing and everything and all of that, but I also have taxes to do. I have a garden to get ready. I have all kinds of stuff going on, just like most of us. But I thought it would be fun that I haven't done a 50% off coupon in quite some time, and I thought it would be fun to give that to you guys, offer that. Just because being outside makes me happy, and spring is coming is making me happy. And it's just exciting to start a new season. So I thought if you guys I thought that maybe you guys might like a little gift from me. So this is kind of a just because coupon. The coupon code is literally spring, S-P-R-I-N-G, and I'll have that down below in the description box in case you can't read my sloppy handwriting. And it is 50% off of everything in my Etsy shop with a minimum purchase of $10, and it is valid March 18th at the time this video goes public to 2021 to March 31st 2021 until midnight my time, Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to take advantage of that, you've got a couple of weeks. Let's see, how many weeks actually is that? I think it's 2. Let's see, today's the 17th. So it's about 1 day shy of 2 weeks that you'll be able to use this coupon code. You can use as many times as you want. Just be sure to enter that into the coupon code section at checkout. But if it doesn't work, contact me via your purchase or contact me before, whichever you want to do. It's easier to do it after you've made your purchase. I can just refund your money. But as long as you contact me through your purchase in that allotted time, or make your purchase in that allotted time and you contact me a day or so later, it's still totally fine, okay? Don't hesitate to contact me. It may take me a few days to get back with you, but don't hesitate to contact me. I've never told anyone no when it comes to refunding someone's coupon code, ever. I've never said no. Okay, so I also wanted to tell you guys, I've got a few things in the works. I'm working on a few things. So hopefully in April I'll have a few new things for you guys. I'm hoping. Also, I'm working on a freebie. It's not a huge freebie, but it is a freebie. I'm working on a freebie. I'm also thinking about, and I kind of want your input on this, so you're gonna have to leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. On the scrap journal, the Basically Amazing scrap journal add-on, one of the things that's included in the add-on is the labels. And I was thinking about offering these just on their own. So there's rectangle labels, there are square labels, and there are circle labels. And I was thinking about just making it a separate listing if you just wanted to purchase the labels. So you guys give me some feedback on that. And I might make that happen. I don't know how quickly they'll be available, but I might make that happen if you guys want that, if you think it's a good idea. I'm kind of thinking that. I would end up reworking them a little bit. They wouldn't be the exact things that are in the scrap journal, but I think I would end up reworking it just a little bit. So let me know what your thoughts are on the labels. So there's there's the rectangles, there's the squares, and there's the circles. So I was thinking, and there's 4 different sizes in each one. But I would do a little reworking. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Let me know what your thoughts are. And again, like I said, I'm working on a few things that are in progress that hopefully will be ready by April. And then I've also got a few things, I'm just kind of giving you updates, I guess. I've also got a few things I'm working on template-wise, a few new template type things. And I literally have no time to do it right now. But I'm so excited about them. When March and April are done, I think I'll have more time on my hands because you know, the taxes will be done, the garden will be in full swing, you know, the yard work there won't be so much yard work, because, you know, once you come out of winter, it's like a lot of yard work, all of that. So I'm hoping to be able to work on some new things for you guys coming really, really soon. Oh, well, I guess one thing, I am kind of thinking about discontinuing some of the listings with background designs on them that are not popular. Some of the ones that don't get purchased as much. I was thinking about getting rid of some of those out of the Etsy shop, because there's so many listings, and even though I keep everything, like all of the Basically Amazing templates are in the Basically Amazing section, it still is a lot there, since there's so many different add-ons. So there's the foundations, there's the add-on photo mats, there is the add-on decorative edges, the charming and the graceful, there is the scrap journal add-on. Each one of those come in all the different backgrounds available to that particular set of templates. So I was thinking about maybe discontinuing some of the least popular ones. So I'd like to hear your thoughts on that as well, if that would bother anyone. I like having the background designs on the templates, because you don't waste ink that away. You know, when you print off your background design and then you print off your template on top of that, the cutoff pieces that maybe are too small to use, or just you big chunk, you know, you may not get to use that, or just a little chunk. That's wasted ink that you know, don't necessarily need to print out. I like the background designs being on the templates. That is where that whole idea came from. It's just one pass through your, you know, one pass through the printer, no wasting of ink, and it's just super convenient and faster. So you guys are going to have to let me know your thoughts. I've been contemplating doing that for several of the templates that I've done over the many, many years now. Oh my word, it's been, somebody was asking me about a template from 6 years ago, and I was like, hold please, I have to go back and refresh my memory, and I still can't remember everything. I try, I do the best I can, but I can't remember everything. But anyway, so just let me know your guys' thoughts, and I hope you guys enjoy this coupon code and can get some use out of it. And that's all I have, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.